To activate the TurboTax after you bought at the Costco and you already have the 16-digit license code in your hand, you want to install the TurboTax application first on your computer or laptop. And to do that, you want to open your web browser such as Chrome or Safari. Then on the Google search, you want to search for TurboTax. And then you want to click on the website called turbotax.intuit.com right here. Then, click on File Your Taxes at the top left of your screen, and hit the option called TurboTax Desktop. On here, click on Download TurboTax Software button at the top left of your screen. On the year 2025, choose on which TurboTax version that you just bought from Costco, either the Deluxe, Premier, Home and Business, or just the Business. For example, if I bought the Deluxe version from Costco, then I want to click on the Deluxe right here on the TurboTax website. And then select which operating system of your computer or laptop using. And it will automatically download your TurboTax desktop application. Wait until the download is done. After that, search for the downloaded TurboTax app on your computer. Tap on it 2 times with your keyboard. And since I'm using the Mac OS, I will demonstrate what's needed to do on the Mac OS. Don't worry, because more or less, the method both on Mac OS and Windows are similar to one another. So, you just need to drag it on the application section. And open up your Mac OS application list. Search for TurboTax, and open them by clicking on it for 2 times. You may just follow the instruction to click on Install the TurboTax application, and the Next button. Until you see this License Agreement section, then you want to accept it, and hit the Next button right here. On this window, click on Install button to installing the app to your computer. And then, after the installation was successful, click on the Launch TurboTax button here, and opening the TurboTax desktop application. This window will appear, and you want to signing in to your Intuit TurboTax account, if you already have it before. Or, if you do not have that yet, click on this Create an Account button right here, to create a brand new account of TurboTax. This screen will appear, then you want to look at the Costco physical box that you got, and find the 16-digit code called License Code that consists of combination of letters and numbers, which then you want to insert into this section. After that, click on this Activate TurboTax button, and there you go. You may start to file your taxes using the TurboTax desktop. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.